The Birdsong, poem written by me, signed in BSL, British Sign Language. There's one song uniting the world. That is the birdsong. All day, every day, will you sing along? The birds saw the sky performing in their mystical show. The world is their stage, with rhythm that flows. The song that continually plays is that of the birds. All of us can dance and sway as they fill us with their words. Like a backstage pass, we can hear every tune. It's appealing, enticing, and beautiful. So loud and clear as their identities bloom. The sparrow harmonising with the robin, the parrot guiding the dove, the eagle carrying the song, all blessed with love. The crow resembling the rock star, the pigeons in their choir, all together creating music we can all praise and admire. The owl hooting in the evening whilst the chicks are in their nest. We hear it all, true talent at its best. Keep singing your songs and creating your music. Harmonies in rain all shine, always poetic. There's one song uniting the world. That is the birdsong. All day, every day, will you sing along? Thank you for watching. Bye!